What's poppin', guys? Welcome to Money Talk, the number one news source, the number one information source, and the number one entertainment source for everything, anything regarding the stock market and the financial world. Today, what we're going to be talking about is the news that recently came out regarding HCMC. The huge news. All right, guys, this could be a game changer for the stock with what I think they should do. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the news that they already worked on and the news that came out, and what I believe that the HCMC team should do to get going, you know what I mean, to get the wheels rolling and maybe raise a little bit more capital and get more investors on the team. So with that being said, guys, let's get this video on HCMC started. For the OG viewers, as you guys may have noticed, the poster behind me is no longer behind me and it is a green screen. Look at us, man. Who would have thought? You know what I mean? We're on some Hollywood shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got a green screen. I feel nice. No more me just fixing my poster every 3 seconds. Okay, guys. So with that being said, you know what I mean? Let's get reading. So this article reads: HCMC Healthier Choice Managemnet Corp announces commencement of rights offering subscription period. And it reads: Today, HCMC Healthier Choice Managemnet today announced that subscription period for the company's right offering has commenced. If exercising subscription rights through a broker, dealer, bank, or other nominee, such as online platform, including but not limited to TD, Schwab, Fidelity, E-Trade, or others, please note that within the next few days, DTC will open the window in place for their instruction for stockholders to elect and participate in the right offering. Okay, in the rights offering. Okay, so if you're using a platform, if you're using any platform that you're holding HCMC on, okay, so starting today, or rather starting yesterday, since that's when it started, but starting today, there's going to be a pop-up when you sign in. There's going to be a pop-up that says, hey, do you want to buy some shares at a discount, at a 25% discount? Okay, so why would they do this? Why would they be giving out shares on sale for no reason? Well, to raise capital. That's it. Period. To raise capital. Nothing complicated, just to raise capital. Now, let's talk about some timelines regarding some timelines that you need to know regarding the offering subscription, the rights offering subscription. So on Friday, May 14th is ownership day. That means Friday, May 14th is the last day that you can become a stockholder that is eligible for the subscription offering, or offering subscription, whatever. Okay, and then Tuesday, May 18th is the record date, so they know, how many shares are we putting out, and etc., and how many people may buy it, and etc. Okay, now on Wednesday, May 19th, which was yesterday, is when the period begins. Now, okay, if you haven't gotten the pop-up yet, don't worry. Don't think what is going on. Don't try to call the vape store or the freaking vitamin store talking about where are my shares. All right, guys, don't do that, because the period ends on June 3rd. That means from May 19th to June 3rd is the time where you could get the pop-up notification saying, hey, do you want some HCMC shares at a 25% discount? Now, it is very, very, very important, guys, for you guys to understand that penny stocks such as HCMC are very volatile, okay? So although you may be getting it at a 25% discount, it doesn't mean that you're just green, right? Because the next day the stock could drop maybe 30%, maybe 40%, because you never know, right? Maybe tomorrow news regarding the Philip Morris case comes out and it's bad news. It may be bad news, okay? Not that we've gotten any new bad news regarding that case, but what if there is and the stock just plummets 50%? Now, I'm not trying to discourage you guys from buying HCMC, because I love stockholders have been very kind to me, very kind to this channel, okay? So thank you guys for always supporting me and, helping me with my journey on YouTube. But I'm just trying to make sure that you guys have the right mindset and the right risk tolerance and risk to reward ratio setting before you jump into a risky situation. All right. Now, with that being said, guys, make sure to smash the like button so this video gets sent out to more HCMC investors, so they can also understand, oh damn, news, I can buy more shares at a 25% discount, so they can maybe buy more shares at a 25% discount, and then the price of the stock will maybe go up you know, that's a direct investment for you guys. Okay, that is how directly you guys could manipulate the stock price. Maybe. All right, that maybe not. Okay. Now let's talk about the HCMC stock price. Okay, so the HCMC stock price has been staying around the 0.0015 mark. Let me actually put it up right now. Let's see how we're doing today. I'm pretty sure today was actually a red day. Yeah, so today on 20th, we're down on May 20th, we're down 3.2%, which isn't really a good sign, but you know what? It's been hell of a ride in the market in the past couple of months. So it's understandable. Now, one thing that I like to point out, right, is that a lot of people correlate HCMC's price drop to the Philip Morris case, regarding that. So for those that don't know, HCMC came out saying you're stealing our patent, and then Philip Morris was like, no, we're not. Get the hell out of here. And now they're in court. They're battling it out to see who has the rights to their vape pen or whatever. I forgot the name. It's a Q-Sig. I think that's what it's called, right? But that's basically just a quick summary of what is happening. I have made a complete video on the case, so make sure to check that out. I'm going to link it down below in case you guys are like, what is happening with this Philip Mormon? Who the hell is Philip Mormon? Whatever, okay? But the point I was trying to get to was that, listen guys, there's more in play than just, there's more to play when it comes to HCMC's fall from the levels that it was at on maybe February when it was at its all-time highs, than just the Philip Morris case, okay? And that's because the state of the market, the state that the market has been, right? The market has not been very kind to speculative, high growth penny stocks or stocks in general, right? I mean, you look at large cap stocks such as Tesla, such as Lucid, such as Virgin Galactic or Jevo or Plug, you know what I mean? All these other stocks, and this is all because of hedge funds shorting, driving the prices to go down. And the growth sector moves kind of together with the leaders. When the leaders, like for example Tesla and these large cap corporations, these large cap companies drop, they fall, right? They kind of bring down the whole growth sector with them. Okay, so that also plays into HCMC's stock price drop. Okay, so it's not just because they're doing something wrong. I mean, honestly, HCMC has been doing nothing but right stuff. Personally, they opened their vitamin store recently, which is definitely going to make them more revenue, which is going to bring up their revenue, which is a great sign for the company. And you know, like, they haven't been doing anything wrong, so I think it's this seeing red after day is kind of unjustifiable. You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense to me, but it is what it is. Okay, and if you believe, HODL, and if you believe, I think this 25% discounted shares is the perfect opportunity for you to maybe either lower your cost average or just pick up some more shares, and the hell with it, right? Because HCMC to the moon, baby. Okay, now let's talk about what I think HCMC should actually do instead of maybe alongside the offering, right? The subscription offering. I believe that HCMC, what they need to do is they need to have a reverse split, because the 1 cent, the 1.5 cent, it's not even, is it 1.5 cents? No, the 1/10 of a cent stock price is not a good place to be, okay? And a lot of investors, for example, me, myself, I know it has to do with market cap. They have a 492 million market cap, which is, they could have like a $10 share price, whatever, right? But the stigma around a stock being worth like 1/10 of a cent isn't really something that a lot of investors could get behind, right? And that's something that maybe a lot of investors look for, because at those levels, obviously, like I said earlier, right, the price is a whole lot more volatile. And when it drops 1/10 of a cent, right, 1/100th of a cent, when it drops 1/100th of a cent, the stock moves like 5%, right? Which is kind of crazy, considering how that could just happen based on a couple of people selling their shares and etc. More than a couple, but you get what I'm saying. So I do believe a reverse split would be very, very beneficial. Maybe a 10-to-1 reverse split. For those that don't know what a reverse split is, it is basically in the name. A split is when a company comes out and they say, okay, so if you're holding 1 share, now you get 2, okay? In a reverse split scenario, if you hold 2 shares, your 2 shares become 1. All right, so now you only have 1 share, but of course at double the price. Now I do believe that HCMC needs to come out and at least raise the stock price to 1 cent. All right, so people would feel more secure holding it, and more investors will find this stock interesting to actually invest in. Now, is that all it takes? Is that all it takes for HCMC to recover and maybe reach its all-time highs? I don't think so, okay? But that is a great place to start, all right? Now, HCMC is one of those companies that has been trying to grow, but they've been held back by institutional investors getting shorted heavily. I mean, the short percentage on the stock is also crazy, right? So there could be an ultimate maybe short squeeze coming up soon, right? I know people love a good short squeeze, okay? So that's some good news for you guys, I guess, on those ends. But with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button so once again more people get to see this video. And as always, subscribe. All right, guys, subscribe, because on this channel we come out with the hottest content. I mean, Jesus Christ, we're like HBO. We got it all: documentaries, freaking entertainment, education, news. All right, guys, you guys have found the #1 channel regarding the stock market and the crypto world on YouTube. So congratulations. I'll shake your hand. Okay, with that being said, smash the subscribe button, stay a while. Thank you for watching, guys. Money Talk out. And comment down below. Let me know if you guys are actually participating in the rights offering, right? The rights subscription offering or not. And what are your plans with HCMC? With that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Money Talk